Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the manpower planning models in HR. But not the boring way. We will use the design thinking framework to make it simple and practical and relatable. From understanding workforce gaps to predicting future talents needs, this model helps companies stay ahead. So whether you are an HR student or aspiring manager, this video will give you clarity in just 8 minutes. So let's jump in and start with the basics. Next, the meaning of manpower planning. Let's begin with empathize and define stages of design thinking. Imagine a company that's struggling with too many employees in one department and shortage in another. So that's where the manpower planning comes in. So it means analyzing current workforce and predicting the future needs. The goal is to balance the demand and supply of employees. We just HR the tries to understand employee skills, business goals, and gaps. So basically, it's about having the right people at right time and the right place. Next slide, system model. So now moving to ideal stage, like let's talk about the system models. These models treats an organizations like a system, so where inputs, process, and outputs are connected. So employees is basically our inputs, training in process, and performance is output. The HR analyzes how workforce flows through the systems. If output is weak, something is wrong in input or a process. It helps HR think holistically instead of focusing on one issue. This model is great for long-term planning and improving organizational efficiency. Next slide, the Markov analysis, the model. The next comes to the prototype stage. Where we test ideas, and that's where the Markov model fits in. These models uses the probability to predict employees' movement, like a promotions, transfers, or exits. It shows how employees shifts between roles over time. So HR can forecast future vacancies and shortages. For example, if many employees are likely to leave, hiring can be planned early. So is a super useful in large organizational with structured career paths. Next slide, the replacement charts. Now let's move to the test stage. Here we use a replacement charts. Like they are the visual tools showing who can replace who in organization. Think of it like a backup plan chart. HR identifies the potential successors for key roles. It helps in leadership continuity and avoid sudden disruptions. If a manager leaves, the company already knows who's next. This model is simple but powerful for succession planning and internal promotions. Next, integration of model. Here the design thing is not linear. Now we combine everything. Integrations means using all these models together. The system model gives a big picture. The Markov analysis movement and replacement charts ensure continuity. When combined, HR gets a strong data-driven strategies. It reduces risk and improves decision making. Companies don't rely on just one model, so they blend them based on the needs. This integrated approach creates a flexible and future workflows plan. So, what are the practical applications used in South Indian? Let's bring this to real life using implementation mindset in South Indian, especially in IT hubs like Chennai, Bangalore. Companies use these models actively. For example, if firms predict employee attritions using a macro analysis, a replacement charge helps in project leadership continuity. System also ensure that the training improvements outputs with a high competition and talent mobility. These models help companies stay stable and competitive. So yes, they are not just theories; they are used daily. So the final, so that it guys, now you understand manpower planning models using design thinking. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment below. So what topic you want next? So see you on in the next video.